Welcome to our guide on how to use credit card rewards effectively. Let's start by understanding what credit card rewards are and why they matter in managing your finances. Credit card rewards usually come in three varieties: cashback, points, and miles. Each serves different purposes, so it's essential to understand the distinctions. To earn rewards strategically, focus on spending habits and identify bonus categories that offer accelerated rewards. It's crucial to assess the value of your rewards by exploring redemption options and calculating their worth. Choosing the right rewards credit card is all about aligning it with your lifestyle and spending habits. Sign-up bonuses and promotional offers can significantly boost your rewards. Make sure to capitalize on these opportunities. While rewards are enticing, managing your spending is crucial to avoid debt accumulation. With the right strategies, you can effectively utilize rewards for travel, from booking flights to securing hotel deals. Keep track of expiration dates and manage your loyalty programs effectively to ensure you never miss out. By understanding how to effectively use your credit card rewards, you can make the most of your spending while enjoying various benefits.